This is the secret to a shiny floor that even your mother-in-law will envy. I use this one secret ingredient, and my home looks spotless for a long time. Prepare a large bucket and pour in about 1 gallon of lukewarm water. Now it's time for the first ingredient. Baking soda works great on dirt, absorbs unpleasant odors, and helps refresh surfaces. Add about 7 ounces. The next ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. It cuts through grease, evaporates quickly, leaves no streaks, and helps keep surfaces clean. The next ingredient is vinegar. It helps remove buildup, adds shine, and makes the floor look fresh and clean. Add the right amount to the bucket. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. This is what gives the mixture a beautiful scent and makes the floor look even better after cleaning. Measure 1 capful of fabric softener and pour it into the bucket. Now soak the mop thoroughly in the mixture and wring out the excess liquid well. Mop the floor as usual. You'll see the result right away. No streaks, a fresh scent, and a floor so shiny you can see your reflection in it. I sprinkle my mop with blue powder and blue liquid. My floor shines for a long time. This combination creates a thick, active foam that easily tackles dirt and greasy stains. The foam reaches every corner, so there's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated cleaning. The entire floor becomes shiny after just one wipe, and after cleaning it doesn't just shine, it smells amazing too. This method works better than most store-bought cleaners and doesn't require harsh chemicals. When pouring the used water into the toilet, you can see how cloudy and full of dirt it is, proof of how effective this technique is. The secret? The mysterious blue powder is simply laundry detergent, and the blue liquid is dish soap. Try this trick, and you'll see how easy it is to get a perfectly clean, shiny, and fresh-smelling floor. Stick a sanitary pad to a mop. You'll never need to climb a ladder again. I'll show you how to do this trick. Take a sanitary pad and place it on the floor mop handle. Then, remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it to the mop. Now, pour some dish soap onto the pad, followed by a bit of water. The pad will absorb the soap perfectly. Use this tool to clean your bathroom. You won't need a ladder anymore. People often forget how important it is to clean the bathroom walls. A lot of bacteria accumulate on the wall. You can also add some glass cleaner to the pad. With this trick, you'll reach every tile effortlessly. Watch as the pad picks up dirt perfectly. Your tiles will shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Add fabric softener to vinegar, and the results will surprise you. Start with a bottle of vinegar. It removes grease, limescale, and other stubborn stains. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bottle. Shake well to mix. Next, take a large bowl and pour in the vinegar softener mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap for enhanced cleaning power, and mix again. In a small pot, boil 250 milliliters of water with a generous amount of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Once the clove water cools, strain it into the bowl with the other liquids. Pour the final mixture into a container with a dispenser using a funnel. This homemade cleaner is ready to tackle your bathroom, removing limescale and deposits while leaving surfaces shiny. It's also perfect for cleaning countertops and sinks. Add a splash to a bucket of water for mopping floors, leaving them clean and refreshed. The mixture not only eliminates greasy stains and limescale, but also fills the room with a pleasant, fresh scent. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution for your cleaning needs. Get rid of dirt on the walls without scrubbing or streaks. Start by filling a bucket with hot water, then add a bit of dish soap. This is a great cleaner that effectively removes grease, dust, and other dirt. Soak the mop in the solution, then wring it out so it's only slightly damp. This prevents excess water that could harm your walls or doors. Now clean away. Glide the mop across the walls, ceiling, and doors. Effortlessly remove dust, stains, and dirt. This quick and convenient method lets you reach even the hardest to reach spots, without the need for a ladder or cloth. When you're done, pour the dirty water into the toilet and see how much grime you've removed. Clean, refreshed surfaces with no streaks or dust, all in just a few minutes. Enjoy your perfectly clean space. Apply shaving foam to the mop. This trick was shared with me by a luxury hotel cleaner. Shaving foam is more than just a shaving product. It has cleaning and degreasing properties and removes tough stains. Its ingredients, such as glycerin and moisturizing agents, give surfaces a polished look. Cover the mop with shaving foam and gently spread it across the floor. Shaving foam also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Now, fill a bucket with water and add fabric softener and vinegar. The fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and makes the floor more resistant to dust buildup. It also has an anti-static effect. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a natural cleaner with disinfecting and degreasing properties. It effectively removes dirt and bacteria. Soak the mop in the prepared solution and wipe the entire floor. The combination of shaving foam, fabric softener, and vinegar creates an exceptional cleaning mix. This method not only leaves the floor sparkling clean, but also keeps it fresh for longer and less prone to dust accumulation. No wonder professionals in luxury hotels use it. Sprinkle the mop generously with salt. Measure 1 capful of fabric softener and pour it thoroughly over the fibers to make them soft. Then pour boiling water over the entire mop to remove built-up dirt and bacteria. Look at that dirty water. It's proof that a quick rinse is never enough. Now your mop is like new and ready to clean the floor thoroughly. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about 1 liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective.